Hello guys, alright, we're ready for day 3. So how do people help out in the community? Okay, I want you guys to think about how do people help out in the community. How's we going to talk about that? One example that I would say is planting a tree. These trees help the community. How do trees help our community? I want you guys to pause the video and talk about that. How do trees help our community? If you said it makes our community look prettier, that's right. But also trees are very important to us, right? They give us fresh air. Alright, another way is picking up and recycling. These people recycle all these plastic water bottles because otherwise they go and sit in a landfill, and that's not very good for our earth. So they're helping our community by recycling. So they pick up all these water bottles to take to a place for them to recycle. Alright, and another example of how it's doing. When you are done with your things, instead of throwing them away, you can, it's called reuse. So somebody else could reuse them. So you could take them to a place called Goodwill or donate them to a place that needs them. And this lady is donating, looks like some old books someone can reuse and a fair. So she's donating it to maybe a Goodwill store. Those are some ways that you could help the community. Alright, remember, other ways are jobs. Our jobs help us in our communities, like this waiter and this nurse. Alright, let's talk about our vocabulary words. I want you guys to pause the video. Let's talk about these for a second before we do our word search. Admire. I'm going to say admire. Remember, admire means you like somebody, you admire them, you think they're awesome. Right. Leadership. Leadership. What does leadership mean? If you say leadership means someone that is in charge or leads you, helps guide you, you are right. Leadership. Alright, enjoy. Enjoy. What is enjoying? I want you to pause the video. I want you to talk with the person closest to you. What does enjoy? What does that mean? If you said it makes something that makes you happy, you're right. You're right. Alright, rely. Rely. So pause the video and talk about that. What does rely mean? If you said it means somebody you can count on, you're right. You're right. Alright, connections. Connections. So pause the video. Talk about that. What are connections? If you said something that's joining together, you were right. Like the chain we had that they were connected. Okay? Alright, let's see if we can find these words in here. Are you ready? We're going to see if we can find those words in here. Alright, admire. Admire. Let's see. Do you see it? Oops, I see it right there. You guys see it? Alright. The next word. Alright. We're going to find the leadership. 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 Alright, if you find it right here. Leadership. And look, I see an SH in there. Do you guys see the SH in there? That's right. Good job. Alright. The next one, are you ready? Is enjoy. Enjoy. I see it. Let's look for it. This one's tricky. Let's enjoy. I see it. Do you see it? E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy. Alright. Now we have the word rely. Rely. Do you see the word rely? R-E-L-Y. Alright, let's keep looking for it. Rely. Oops, I see it. R-E-L-Y. Rely. And our last one, connections. Connections. Do we see connections? C-O-O-N-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Oh my goodness, that was a big word. Connections. Alright. We're going to read Martin Luther King Jr. again, and then we're going to talk about some important information from the story. You ready?
Story of Martin Luther King Jr. Every January, we celebrate the birthday of Martin Luther King Jr. Do you know why we remember him? Martin was born in 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. His father was a preacher. His mother was a school teacher. Martin liked to go to school. He always did more than his teachers asked him to do. Martin's school was old. It needed a lot of fixing, but the school for the white children was new. Martin and his mom and dad liked to eat out, but some restaurants would not serve them. Martin could not drink from all the water fountains. He had to find one with a sign that read colored. This made Martin angry. He wanted to go to the best school. He wanted to eat at any restaurant, and he wanted to drink from any water fountain. When Martin grew up, he became a preacher. One day he spoke to more than 200,000 people. Martin said, "I have a dream that my 4 little children will not be judged by the color of their skin." Martin made his dream come true. Now we can all eat in any restaurant, drink from any water fountain, go to any school, and dream our dreams just like Martin Luther King Jr.
Alright, good job, guys. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Alright, guys, let's talk about Martin Luther King Jr. I have some questions for you, okay? I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to have you pause the video and talk about it. Are you ready? I want to know, what month was Martin Luther King Jr. born? Or do we celebrate Martin Luther King Day? What month was that? Pause the video, see if you guys remember. You said January, you're correct. January, was it within January? Alright, I want to know about his school. What was wrong with his school? If you said it needed fixing, you're right. His school did need fixing. What kind of jobs did his parents have? What kind of jobs did his parents have? Would you pause the video and talk about that? What kind of jobs? If you said preacher and school teacher, you're correct. His dad was a preacher and his mom was a school teacher. Right, last question. He had a dream. What was his dream? What was his dream? You said for it to be equal and the same. You're correct, that's right. Everybody has the same water fountains and those kind of things. Good job, guys. Alright. Now I'm going to say the sounds. You guys are going to blend it together to say the word when I give you the signal. Okay, you wait for the signal. Are you ready? My signal to you is I'm going to point to you. Are you ready? Van. That's right. Off. You said broth. You're right. Don't forget to wait till my signal. This is my signal. I'm going to point to you. B-A-N-G. Bang. Good job. Sh-A-K. That's right, shack. All right. A-sh. That's right, mash. K-E-G. King. That's right. We have the TH. What is TH again, everybody? You're right. You're right. What's NG say, everybody? Good job. What does SH say? That's right. Shh. Good job, first graders. All right. Remember, TH says, SH says shh, and NG says You guys just told me that. All right, let's talk them out. Are you ready? Get your chapters ready. Shh. Ship. Good job. All right, now I have a diagram at the end. D-I-S-H. Dish. You're right. At. That. Good job, guys. Make sure you're tapping them with me. O. Ong. Long. Long. That one's tricky. Alright, next one. We're going to fill them in. I have a dish. Dish. How do I spell dish? I want you to pause the video and talk about how do you spell dish. Right, you said D, right? I, and then we have SH and it's a diagram. So we would underline if we were marking this, we would underline that SH. Alright, now we have a shadow. Shh, what's that diagram? What's that diagram? On the count of three, everybody's going down here. 1, 2, 3. Use the SH, you are right. SH. Good job. Alright, now we have fish. Ish. Fish. Alright, you said, pause the video and talk about it. You said, F, you're right. If, and then the diagram is S-H. Remember, S-H is a diagram, so we're going to underline the diagram. Alright, now we have thrown. Thrown. What's that diagram? Pause the video and talk about it. You said T-H. You're correct. Good job, guys. Alright, now we're going to read these sentences and we're going to circle the words. So we're going to find the words that end it with the diagram. We have a diagram in them. Are you ready? We thank Seth for singing with us. Good job. We thank Seth for singing with us. Pause the video. Talk about what words have a diagram in them. You said TH. You're correct. And think. Good job. You said Seth. TH. You're correct. You said singing. That's correct. You have an NG. We also have a TH and with. Good job, guys. Alright, the last one. The king wished for a ship filled with fish. Pause the video. Talk about what words have a diagram in them. You said king. You're correct. You have an NG in there. You said wished. You're correct. You have an SH in the middle. You said ship. You're correct. There's another SH. You said with. That's right. There's a TH. You said fish. You're correct. There's another SH. Good job, guys. Kiss your brains. You guys are doing awesome.